morning. Welcome back. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live, and welcome to another live trading session. I'm excited. I'm excited to be back. Finally trading after 2 weeks, more or less, vacation and excesses and stuff. But I'm glad that I'm back to my routine and trading. That's what I like to do, right? That's what I love to do. All right, so let's get back in. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Let's go here to the pre-market screen. There we go. And then let's check the economic side of news today. A lot of inflation numbers out of Europe, right? Most of them were good, or not good. I would say not good, but better than expected. Okay, so we do have Italian PPI minus 3.3 in the month-over-month. Year-over-year is still very high, but coming down from 41. CPI month-over-month, negative CPI on Germany, right? Still high, but better than last month on the year-over-year basis. And then on the US, we didn't have any Europe consolidating CPI, right? No. We did have Spanish CPI, but look, this is deflationary numbers, okay? Now disinflationary, deflationary is negative, right? So that's good. We haven't had a negative. I think we haven't had a negative month-over-month here. Then we had Redbook. Remember, this is a retailer's survey that the Fed performs. House price index still high year-over-year basis. And then we had the Schiller numbers, right? For those who don't know, is an index that this guy Robert Schiller designed, and now the markets pay attention to it. We did have some negative number, which I think is good, right? For what's the if we talk about the Fed purposes, right? They want these numbers to come down. I want to check this composite because this composite is the consolidated index and the most important number within the Schiller case. Okay, so look at this. This is 205. Remember this, the financial crisis, and it's coming down very sharply. It's coming down very, very sharply. Okay. For those who are looking to buy properties, it's good that this number comes down, right? That means prices are stabilizing. We're gonna have Bailey speaking. This is the UK Bank of England governor. And I say that because everything affects the dollar, right? The pound, not as much as the euro, but it could move the dollar a little bit, okay? Then we have consumer confidence at 10. And the rest is API weekly crude oil numbers. And then we don't have anything else. Tomorrow, very busy day as well. All right. I posted in my Discord my outlook for the day, my bias, and I think the dollar has some room to go up if we break this. Okay, we managed to close yesterday around this area, right? This is a demand that we had from days ago. Now is turning into a flip zone. Now the retest worked just fine, but with a limited downside. That tells me that this move is not just a fake out, okay? But we need to break to the upside. So I posted a few, I think 1 or 2 scenarios on the dollar, right? The bearish case on the dollar does not look very likely to me today, but the bullish case that I posted on the Discord was this. What is London Open right here? So this is London Open. I was more like this into this, right? But we came here. So right now it's going to be something around like this, okay? For the continuation to the upside. Now here to the left, let's pay attention to what we have here. So this is 2:30. This is 3 in the morning, right? So here you start finding some very high quality resistance, okay? Resistance. But if we start breaking to the upside, next stop, it'll be like around here, okay? I want to put this up here. There we go, okay? And this was, yeah, this is afternoon here in the Eastern time. It's not very, very high quality, okay? It's not high quality, but it's there, right? So we cannot ignore it. All right, so this is my bias for today on the dollar. If we start breaking down, for me to have a bearish outlook on the dollar today, it has to come below this area, right? Well, let's see if we can have that. For now, neutral short on the equity markets, okay? All right, so on the bond yields, we finally broke this, a supply that we were paying attention. I was paying attention, right? Yesterday and today, we finally broke to the upside. Now, where is a good area to pay attention if we're gonna turn around here, right? So you have these 1, 2 pivots, right? These pivots are going to look how the bond yields behave, right? It comes to pivots repeatedly, okay? It's not like the other markets. So yeah, we could have this. We could have this, and this could give us some resistance, right? There we go. If we start reacting from this area to the downside, and it's also a quarter number, so this is a psychological number, like 3/3, 3 50, 3 1/4. Those are very significant numbers, right? So if we start retracing back down, probably I will change my outlook on the equity markets. But for now, we don't only have this, but we do have these 2 pivots right here, putting some buying pressure if we happen to come down here, okay? Remember, if this thing is going up along with the dollar, it's a short on the not only on the equity markets, but I would say more on the NQ, okay? Bond yields. VIX, we gapped up yesterday and we're still holding on the upper part of this demand. Not very much out of this chart, other than, all right, we're gapping up, but we're still within the demand, okay? We haven't had any explosion, and and after the first move up, you have a retracement, usually, okay? So you have this move, come back, this move, and then a come back. Yeah, move, come back. All right, let's see how this thing behaves this time, okay? On the crude oil chart, crude oil. Oh, we're coming out of the demand here on the daily. We did have this one, right, for quite some time. We finally came here yesterday, and we are going up from it. Now, I posted on the Discord, on the CL channel, that we need to break this pivot. And if we happen to break this pivot to the upside, we can have a continuation to the next stop, like this, something like this. And my next stop, it'll be 83. Let's call it 84, okay? This area of interest. Now, why I don't pay attention to this one, right? This one was already tested. Look how we came here. We came as low as this level, 75. Then we retrace back down, back up to this resistance point, and then we finally managed to push down, right? If we break this pivot, this is the important one. This is the one that is just stopping prices here, okay? If we manage to break to the upside, then we will have 84. I don't think this being already tested and so low on the curve at $80 can put some pressure again. Now we could drop from here. Now either we could drop from here as well, but I would consider this as a already used up supply. Okay, that's my consideration. What else do we have here? What else do we have here? Let's take a look at the rest of the commodities, because that's what can tell us if the dollar move is actually legit or no. So you have metals going up in tandem, right? That tells me that the dollar probably is not a legit move. Let's go back on the dollar and see what is going on here. So the dollar is trying to push up, and it has this resistance, right? So for me to believe that the dollar is going to break to the upside, this metal has to start coming down. And they have retraced a little bit from its highs. Let's go see gold. Let's go see gold on the 30-minute. Yeah, they are starting to come down. And what time is this? Oh, this is Asia. Okay, this is Asia. We already broke the London Open. So London Open was where? We were this is a fake out to the upside. All right, if we manage to clear all these pivots to the downside, I think this gap fill will be very likely today if the dollar continues to go up. Now, look, this has very little support right here or demand. This is Asia, right? Other than this pivot that was created during the London session, okay, yesterday. We're basically in the opposite side of the dollar right here, because this is Wednesday 23rd, and this is London Open. Okay, so remember, dollar is in this area already used up. If we manage to break to the upside, clearing this line, a continuation to the upside, that's a nice short right there. Even in gold, okay, gold's starting to break to the downside. We already broke this level, which is the London Open. Okay, so 4 minutes for the market to open, and I'm gonna set the risk. Good morning all, good morning everyone, welcome. All right, so this is a 500, and I need to put myself here. There you go. Smart risk. This is the M&Q. Sorry, this one. This is the one that I want to pay attention to. Yes. There you go. So this is the overnight. This is okay, 15-minute, and I'm gonna set my risk today 1.2%. I think $260. Yeah, $260. I will be favoring the shorts for now. The dollar is breaking out. Dollar is breaking to the upside. Dollar's breaking. All right, so let me put the dollar there. Thank you. Congratulations on Brazil, though. They didn't play well, but they managed to win. Congratulations. I think you have a very, very good chances in this World Cup. Morning. That's this is Ninja Trader brokerage. This is Ninja Trader brokerage. My live account with a Ninja Trader. I'm gonna activate the other accounts on the other computer. Just give me 1 second. All right, so let me test this. Oh, there we go. I think it's working. Why is not? All right, I think it's working. All right, we are off. We are off, and I like always to adjust time here to synchronize with all my platforms. All right, so yeah, Brazil. Yeah, Brazil is has a good chances to win that thing. All right, so we broke the overnight. We broke the overnight. For those who are part of the Discord, I was earlier doing my pre-market there. So if you find me there tomorrow, just feel free to join. I was doing the good thing about Discord is that you can interact in a better way. You can talk to me directly, right? And we can discuss. You can talk about your point, and I'll talk about mine, and then we discuss and so on, right? All right, so let's go see the markets. Everything is pretty much flat. Like the ES is minus 0.1. R2Y is positive, but he's the only one. Like I don't have nothing here to the left, and I think I should investigate here because this is yesterday's open. This is yesterday's close. Sorry, yesterday's close is right here. All right, so we're below that. No gap. And what about this? What about this? Ten in the morning. All right, so here we go. There you go. Here is a very good area where to buy from. Okay, and that is 559. 559. This is 10 in the morning. No retest. Very, very clean. Now it's a huge zone. Not huge. It's 20. It's 15 points. Yeah, it's not. When was this? That's a very good question. When was this? When was that? That was 22nd. The 22nd. So that's 22nd. Yeah, low volume, I figure. Yeah, so we got to be careful with those demands on a low volume days. Morning. Welcome. All right, the dollar hasn't reached the blue line. So the blue line is a resistance point that I had from a few days ago during the London Open. Okay. NQ is trying to go up. Let me go check the bond yields. Yeah, bond yields are in supply. Bond yields are in supply. And it hit 375 to 3.75. That's a very sensitive number. So tick chart is completely sideways. 100%. Is 100% sideways. I am biased to the short side just because of the dollar. And the dollar is coming down to these demands. So I just want to see the dollar coming to this direction so I can plan based on this. All right, so you have this, right? You have this. Wow, tick chart is amazing. It doesn't look like the NQ tick chart. It's just very narrow. It's from 0 to 200. That's it. Now it went to minus 100. It's like 300 range. It's very, very narrow. I don't know if I can rely on this reading. Just because ADQD is positive and I'm looking for shorts, I want to see where Apple is. So Apple is negative and Microsoft negative but flat more. Amazon flat. Meta. Ooh, Meta is going up. All right. Just because of that, okay. Apple is the one just dragging the NQ on just flat territory. Remember, we have consumer confidence. We have consumer confidence at 10. It feels nice to come back. It really is. Back to trading. I haven't traded in almost 2 weeks. All right, volume is on the lower side today too. Yeah, it looks like we haven't hit the. We're not in trading season, but we are. So ES is flat, and Q is more is a weaker. Yeah, and Q is the weakest one. Yeah, waiting here. It's not much, to be honest. I do have this one, but you guys tell me how good location this is. It's so bad. So low. Look at the pivot that we just created. Yeah, I do. First thing I look is the dollar, so I don't get biased by whatever the market is doing. So first thing I open up in the morning is the dollar chart, and I try to assess what the market might be doing before I watch at an NQ chart. So I will go like, all right, I'm watching the dollar. The dollar is going up. Market should be down, and then I go and analyze the rest of the markets. Like I did it today on the Discord. If I do it tomorrow, you can come and join the Discord. It's free. Like it's free. I just do it. And before I start the live stream, I go I analyze all the charts, right? I did it today live, but nobody was there. That's the good part about Discord is that you can interact, right? All right, you see that is so bad as a location this. And now we created a double bottom here. Now on the demand side, I don't like anything that was created here. Okay. Regarding the tick chart is good because we have spent a lot of time above zero. Basically below zero, there's nothing. on the ADQD. We are on the positive side. All right, so the dollar is retracing back down. I want to see the bond yields are in the same place. Bond yields are the same. You guys tell me. What do you mean? What do you mean, trading addicts? It was not announced, but I just spent some time there. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, brother. A lot of time and effort. Um, yeah. Now R2Y is pushing higher. The ES is flat. YM is flat as well, and NQ is minus 10%. 0.10%. This is basically flat as well. Now I do think, um, nice, yeah, good accountability, brother. Accountability. Anyone can go ahead and go check what you did and so on. Yeah. Now NQ is becoming weaker and weaker, and the other ones are following. Everything but the RTY. The RTY is still strong. All right, let's see if we could take this. A new 15 minutes, and is creating a bullish candle right there. Oh, look at the RTY, half a percent up, half a percent up. Hasn't broken the overnight high though. So I want to see where the internals are when we get here. ADQD does not look bad, although is on the positive territory. It's plus 670. Tick chart is in good shape. It's not it doesn't have any extreme read to the upside. Let's go see Apple. Yeah. Another thing that I want to look is if we're forming any demand, and not really here. Nothing that I really like. I was paying attention to this one, but this week, like this one, but this week is too long. It has to be very, very short. Now I have this. This is from a few days ago. This is textbook. Sorry, this is textbook demand. What I don't like is that it was created last week on a holiday week. I'm not very sure about that. Volume was very low, choppy. And look, because I'm coming back and I'm excited because I'm gonna trade and so on, that doesn't mean that I need to take a trade. I'm gonna wait for the right setup and execute. I rather just missing trades than taking losing trades. That's the stage of me taking losing trades just for sake of taking trades is gone. So one thing that I like to see here is, do you see these pivots here? Putting some sell pressure. Usually these pivots are retail sellers or retail traders, right? Putting some pressure. But if we happen to go above, it might be something that I will consider that these sellers are just drowning, okay, underwater, right? So if we come back to this level, that might be a good level for them to just bail out if they lose. Okay, but they are winning right now. There is no demand nor supply where prices at. So I'm not enthusiastic. Like if something is created, then I will take it. Then I have demand at 559. The other thing is that it was created during a very low volume day. Good time, but low volume day. So that's one thing. Mm. And we have consumer confidence at 10. What are you guys thinking? Ternatic. Haven't you taken any trade? 2 minutes for the news. 1.5 minutes. I'm waiting for it. Is the Consumer Confidence, right? It's coming out right now. No volatility. 0. Yeah. Came above expectations. Came above expectations. All right, so let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna trade this confirmation. I'm gonna take this one confirmation. See if we can get there. Wow, he came shy from my zone. Oh my god. There you go. Let's see if this level can just push higher so we can take this trade. There we go. I might have this to the demand side though. I might have, yeah. So this is good. If I put it here, Yeah, I'm not gonna take this long. I'm not gonna take that long. I'd rather just waiting for the short. No, it's an index. It's a index. 100, 102 is an index. CB, consumer confidence. The expectations was the expectation was 100.0 and we have 100.2 for the November read. Yeah, it's not like it's not like productivity or production, like when it's above zero, above 50 or below 50, it means contraction or expansion. No, this is just an index. I am 99% sure that what I said is true, right? So I'm gonna make sure what I said is 100% sure. Give me 1 second. I have a book, but I don't see it, so I'm gonna have to Google it. Yeah, it's an indicator. Yeah. Yeah. It has no range. It can go to the moon. Yes. All right, new 7 minute. Here is where I say, here is when I say, all right, so we could take the long. Now the dollar is trying to break lower, right? And the tick chart is in a good shape. Tick chart is in a good shape. What we're gonna do is if it comes inside this, we might take the long. If it goes above here, I want to see that tick chart not making new highs. That's it. If the tick chart makes new highs, there's a no-no for me. All right, so the dollar is breaking down, but this thing is not breaking up. All right, so I'm gonna take this. Wow. It went sharply lower and retraced all the way up very fast. I think it moved 1-to-1, right? It did. Yeah. I'm gonna be stopped out probably. I should have moved my stop, but I didn't have time, to be honest. It was so volatile. Yeah, I'm gonna be. Yeah, I got stopped out from one. I don't know what is that. Which one I got stopped out? Yeah, this thing is. It looks like it's gonna go up. So let's do this. I don't know why. Yeah, I was 1-to-1 here, so I'm gonna break. I'm gonna bring my stop down. Yeah, yeah. They're gonna stop me out for a break even. That's fine. Um, yeah. But I got stopped out for a for a loss here. I don't know why. Yeah. Yeah. One break even there. And look, it's going. Yeah. So I would have gotten well, look at that. So I think I'm having problems with this. Look at this. It never came. It never came. Why did they stop me out on one account? That's weird. I got stopped out here on one account, and the rest of them, no. That's fine. All right, so we would have gotten target here. I moved my stop. It was very, very choppy. Look at that. Look at that. It is what it is. Yeah, well, my trade was good, but look at that. They didn't stop me out here. I moved my stop here to this level, right? I don't know why. They stopped me out. Look, there's no print there. They stopped me out break even when it is what it is. I was executed at I'll tell you the level. 0275. 0275. Oh, the micro went. The micro went. Yeah. Yeah, the micro went. It's okay, brother. Just the first day. So it's wow. It's aggressive. Wow, wow. Yeah, probably today is a Scott day. But I don't scalp. That's the thing. All right. What is going on with this account? It doesn't connect. Wow, on Helios, that break even costed me $42. Wow. Commissions. I need to close this. Yeah. I'm rebooting my Ninja. I don't know what's going on with my Ninja. There you go. Looks like we're breaking to the upside. I'm just recouping from whatever happened in that trade psychologically, because I moved my stop after we were 1-to-1, but I didn't do it here, but I did it here, and then they stopped me out for break even here, and then it went straight to target. So that's one thing that I need to consider. My reaction there was not good. So the dollar is turning around. We do have London Open here at. All right, the London Open is 106.40. So I want to pay attention to that level. Okay. 106.40. Market is not breaking up, even though the dollar is trying to come down. All right, so this thing is back up. Wow. All right, so the dollar is collapsing as of right now. Dollar is coming down sharply. Very, very sharply. Let's see what this thing is going to do. I don't have any like trade right now, other than just wait for the retracement and try to get into this thing. But it's hard. Like this thing is moving very, very weirdly today. In action. Yeah, so buyers are completely activated. Buyers are completely activated here. What? What is going on? Wow. Hmm. Probably the long here. I don't know. Taking the long here on the flip zone. But I'm in shock. I'm in shock for the other trade. So the dollar. All right, let's take a look at the dollar. Look at the dollar. So the dollar came to the blue line, right? And now it's trying to bounce. But the market is retracing. But the question is, what is going to go down? The market or the dollar? And it does look like the market is not going to go down. Like it's very strong. It is very strong. Yeah, the market looks very strong here. The flip zone is working so far. Flip zone is working so far. Yeah, 7 minute is going up big time. Big time. I think it's a fight between sellers and buyers right now. It's not just one direction. Yeah, I think sellers are still trying to push this down, but I don't think they have the strength. And the dollar is dropping. The dollar is dropping big time. Yeah. All right, so the dollar is trying to hold that. Let's see if we can hold that London Open. If we hold that London Open, this thing is gonna drop, but it's yet to see who's gonna win, the dollar or the market. Now I'll tell you, RTY is going up big time. So new 15 minute, new 15. 2 minutes for the 7. What is the dollar doing? Dollar. Here it looks like it wants to bounce. Here it looks like it wants to bounce. Yeah. Here it does look like it wants to bounce. Yeah. Yeah, sellers are still present there. I'm amazed. I'm impressive by these sellers. The dollar is still. Yeah, but it's very choppy. I don't think I'm going to take anything else here. It's too hard for me to take these trades. Yeah. New 7 minute. New 7 minute. Let's see. Later. I wasn't paying attention to the chat though. Yeah, I'm paying attention to this thing. Yeah, it looks like it wants to push higher. Forget about it. This thing is not going down. It's weird because I see the dollar. The dollar wants to push higher. Dollars wants to push higher, but this thing is gonna push down. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, might be not a good place for the dollar. All right. Although the 15-minute has a potential to go up um, and create a rally-based rally. I don't know. I have this bias to the short side because the dollar is going up, was going up, not anymore. It's now flat. and the market is just going up. Yeah, that's weird. The dollar is going up, but all right. Well, now it's starting to break to the downside a little bit, the market. But he has a man right there. Is holding pretty nicely the 600. Let's see. All right, finally. He's trying to break. Now 600 is an important level. Is an important level right there. All right, so extreme low on the tick chart. Extreme low. All right, let's see if the dollar is going to break to the upside. Now it's holding that London. Sorry, it's holding that London open. It's holding that London open. Let's see. No, buyers are active. Buyers are trying to push this thing up. It's not dismissive. It's not that the market is just going down. There's a fight of buyers and sellers. There's a fight of buyers and sellers right there. A and B, how are you? Just want trade, break even. All right, new 30-minute is about to open. New 30-minute. Let's see what the 30-minute brings us. There we go. New 30. There we go. It's breaking down a little bit, not much. And buyers are showing up every time we break. Yeah, buyers are very active. Buyers are showing up every time we break. That's a sign of buying. There you go. All right, so new 7 minute is in 20 seconds. Let's see what the volatility is. Dollar is started to face downward. There you go. So a short bias worked, or it is working so far. So, but sometimes it's hard. Like I did. Where was my entry? Yo, where was my entry? Yeah, my entry was good, but I got stopped out on the Apex account. I don't know why. I don't know why. Whereas in the other ones, no, it was good. That is killing me to be honest. That's why I haven't taken any other trade. That is literally killing me. It is what it is. Yeah. Yeah, the short was a no-brainer. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, dollar is going up still. Well, it's basically flat, but yeah. Later, Trading. See you tomorrow. It's amazing how they manipulate the market. For 15 minutes, they took it up. You figure that? Yeah, most likely. Most likely. Yeah. See you tomorrow there. Wow. This is aggressive selling. Selling and buying. Wow. Oh. Sell off, guys. Sell off. Yeah, the dollar going up is, wow. It's very potent. It's not a small thing. The dollar is going up big time. All right, guys. This is it for me today. See you guys tomorrow. Later. Trade safe. Bye-bye.